Morning dear students, welcome to your VBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I am your English teacher. Today we will start a new lesson, that is Amachi's Brilliant Traps. Lesson 5 from English Literature. I have read half of the chapter and explained it to you. And we have done 10 hard words in our English literature copy. Write down the hard words in your English literature copy and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Students, start the work. Students, you all know that today we will start a new lesson, that is chapter number 5, Amachi's Brilliant Traps. Right? So, firstly, I will read the chapter, then I will explain it to you. Amachi makes yummy, tasty uni appams, but they strangely go missing. Who's stealing them? In this story, Amachi make yummy snacks, but they strangely goes missing, and in this story we will find out who stole it and why he ate them. Oh no, the uniappams have disappeared, said Amachi. Someone must have stolen them, said Suraj. Now Amachi said that the uniappams are stolen, are disappeared. Then Suraj said that somebody might have stolen it. But who? Said Amachi. It could have been Penny. Amachi is a grandmother of Suraj. She said, but who? Who might have stolen it? Then Suraj said it might be Penny, or maybe it was that Kivet from the attic. Kivet is a wild cat, and our attic is a room below the roof. And uniappam means snacks made from rice and jaggery. Said Amachi. Perhaps. It might be, said Amachi. Or do you think that Apanch took them? Asked Suraj. It might be our grandfather took them. There's only one way to find out, said Amachi. We must lay 3 brilliant traps. First, we need more uniappam. Now, Amachi says that we have to find out who had stolen the snacks, and there are 3 brilliant traps. Aren't they all gone? Asked Suraj. Suraj asked that have the thieves eaten the whole snacks? Then Amachi says, no, I hide some in the kitchen for emergency. Amachi has hidden some in the kitchen for emergencies. Now we will move to next page. Our first trap is for the Kivet. First trap is for Kivet, for the wild cat. When he comes through the window, he will fall right into this basket. In this basket, okay? His weight will make the lid fall shut automatically. Means this lid will shut, mean it will close automatically. Amazing, said Suraj. It is a very good job, he said to Amachi. This one is for Penny. If she tries to eat the uniappam, she will be instantly trapped under this bucket. he will be trapped under the bucket. Means he will get caught under the bucket. And this hidden camera will catch Upchan red-handed, said Amachi. If he lifts the Uniappam of the plate, this string will slip out and trigger the camera shutter. If grandfather steals the snacks, then this trigger of the camera will shutter. Means he will make a video of this from this camera. Now, genius, said Suraj. Wow, you are such a genius, means you are such a great person, Suraj said to his grandmother. And now we wait. An hour passed. Amachi was in her rocking chair reading her favorite science book when Suraj came running. 1 hour passed. Amachi was in her rocking chair reading his science book when Suraj came over there. Amachi, come and look, the traps have been sprung. Amachi says that the traps have been sprung. From here we will start afterwards. Okay, we will read it afterwards. I will explain you on the another day. Okay, that's all for today, students. And take out your English literature copy, write down classwork, put the date, that is 16/7/2021. Lesson 5, Amachi's Brilliant Traps. Hard words. Number 1, Uniappams. Second one, Amachi. Third one, Kivet. Fourth one, Attic. 5 one, Upchan. Sixth one, Trigger. Seventh one, Sprung. Eighth one, Bait. Ninth one, Delicious. 10th one, Flatter. And your homework is underline and learn the hard words of lesson 5. That's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you. Your homework is underline and learn the hard words of lesson 5 in your book. That's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you.